And you know what's really, really special about doing a video like this is like I have my own brand in Sephora, and I remember launching in 2020 in the middle of the pandemic, and there was 2 other brands to launch with one size. That was Mario's brand, Selena's brand, and one size in 2020. So to see our brands grow in different directions, in different ways is really cool. I'm just here to really celebrate and really share my beauty experience because that's how I started here on YouTube. Today I'm going to reveal the Makeup by Mario Surrealskin Foundation. It's a trademark name. I'm excited. I haven't been inspired for a while, but by the way, hello, it's PatrickStarrr. Welcome back to my channel. Last time you saw me, I was saying goodbye because of esthetician school. If you guys didn't know, I am in esthetician school. So since I'm in school, I'm like at the halfway mark. I've been trying to get this esthetician looking skin. Don't get me wrong, I still love my full freaking glam, you guys. So I love being full coverage. I just walked the red carpet the other week and it was giving full face, fantasy, cut crease, blush, everything. I will never get away from full glam. But to get this like skin look, I was intrigued by so many different foundations and I heard this was launching and I was like, let me try this out. And if you guys haven't heard, Mario Blvd is like one of the world's greatest makeup artists. So he dropped his first ever foundation called the Surrealskin Foundation. It retails for $42. There's also a brush called the F4 brush. I have my notes. The F4 brush, which retails for $30, which I do not have. But my skin is pretty like normal oily. I'm not dry, so a lot of these glowy foundations don't really work for me like for lasting all day, but I want to try this one out. So I'm gonna unbox it. I got the shade 15N and there's 30 shades. Packaging is like this matte black. This is the bottle right here. Very, very sleek, classic bottle. And my Sephora did not have all the shades on display. So if you guys want to go in store, I think as of right now, they only have it on the table at the front of the store. I believe they have like 8 to 10 shades on the front. So they actually had to make me a tester of 15N because they had 11 and then it jumped all the way to 16. And I thought 16C was like my shade. So I was like, hi, can I try 15 or 14? And they said, yeah, we'll just make a tester for you until we're able to make testers for the big gondola display. So if you're at a Sephora, tip, ask them to make you a tester if it's not on display because they owe you that much. Standard pump, very classic. And I love how you can see the shade throughout the whole bottle. It is glass. And the 2 brushes that I thought would emulate the F4 brush was this My Kitco brush because it has kind of like this flat edge. The F4 brush by Mario is double-ended. So I thought, why not get another makeup icon, Makeup by Ariel's brush, and kind of use this. I feel like I'm gonna go towards this one. We'll just see, we'll just see. I want to prime my face how I normally do so I could see. I'm very conscious of like my pores. You can't see because I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have about like 8 lights on me right now. And it really blurs my skin and the lighting really, really helps. I wanna take my Secure the Blur primer and just apply this where I normally do. I'm gonna take about maybe like 2 pumps right there and try this. It's a hydrating formula for sure. And if you guys didn't see, I have like a little bit of facial hair and some hyperpigmentation. So I wanted to see how well it would cover. It's doing a pretty good job. My fear with sheer foundations, even medium, is that I feel like my facial hair would still peek through and I don't have all the time in the world to color correct, but the coverage is there. This foundation is really, really nice. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in close. This looks like literally like what it says it does. It looks like Surrealskin. I would want to cover a little bit more like around my mustache, but again, like the majority of makeup wearers are women. So I don't know that he's specifically creating this for like men with hyperpigmentation. I feel like this is a foundation for those that have beautiful skin already. Again, I've been working on my skincare journey. I think if I had been maybe like a year or 2 ago or my skin was like breaking out, I don't know if I would have full trust into this, but because of like skincare being such like the rage and people really taking care of their skin and retinols and exfoliating, I feel like the culture of beauty has really shifted to being skin conscious, and that's really awesome that people are really taking care of their skin. I'm gonna try to see what it looks like building a little bit more just around here. And you know what? I'm sure this would look really good with a sponge, but because it is a thinner formula, if Mario recommended it with a brush, then use the brush, because I wouldn't want to waste product by having it being soaked up in a sponge. But this is what it looks like on my face. I'm gonna add a little bit of the Butter Silk Concealer just on the outside. This concealer is in the shade Medium 2R, which has rosy undertones. And I love just using rosy undertones around my eyes just because it brightens it so nicely. Like, look at the difference. It doesn't look that crazy until you see it like side by side. I think I should just keep the review like this, so where you could see like half my face fully done and then half the face like not done, so you can see like the difference from like start to finish. Okay, so I'm gonna set everything like I normally do with my Ultimate Setting Powder. Just take that, make sure there's no creases. You guys are probably like, no, you're taking away the shine. I do this so my makeup can last, and this is what I do, because what you guys see on YouTube is me doing it in a matter of minutes, whereas like my technique that I show on YouTube is so it can last all day. I am plus size. I am over 200 pounds. So you can imagine I am huffing, I am puffing, I am sweating, I am moving around. I'm doing facials at school. And by the time it's like a few hours in, my makeup is already, the sweat and the oils have already broken through. So it will get to that glowy stage in a matter of a few hours. So I just want to share the techniques that I use that you guys can probably take away if you guys have a similar skin type to me or have a similar lifestyle to me where you're moving or you're plus size and you want to move and groove and get around. I'm going to take my Turn Up the Base powder foundation just to see. This is in the shade Medium 5. You can see like some freckles like in this area. Just move this around. I love this highlighter too. I splurged last week and I got this Tom Ford Hyaluronic Energizing Mist. Let's spray it. And I'm going to spray it before I do my brows and my mascara. Okay, so I added mascara and a little bit more blush and highlighter and some brow and brow gel. And this is the finished look. What do you guys think? I feel like see, this is my skin on this side. You can see like the natural luminosity of my skin. You guys can see I have like a little bit of texture here, which is totally normal. But for the most part, it looks pretty good considering that I was able to use what I have in my routine with this foundation. So that's like always a good sign, because I know not everyone at home can buy the whole system of one brand, from primer to powder, setting powder, all that, and just making use of that. So I feel like if a product like this can be incorporated into my routine with the primers that I use and the powders that I use, that's good. Second, it looks really nice. The color match is really, really, really nice on me and how it works well with my other products. And third, I just want to say congratulations to Mario. Be sure to check this out. I recommend it. I recommend it if you have normal dry skin. If you're oily, do what you gotta do to prep like I have. If you guys are sweaty, do what you gotta do. But yeah, highly recommend this foundation. If you guys want to see more reviews, more different brands, comment down below what you guys want to see. I just want to say I miss you guys so much here on YouTube. I love you guys so much. If you guys want to see more of me, comment down below. Follow me on social media. Don't forget, makeup is a one size fits all, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye.